In other news, the CDC is receiving reports of a possible flu outbreak in San Francisco.
More reports of flu cases along the border, but officials are saying they aren't connected.
The World Health Organization is now issuing guidelines on how to deal with
The of the deadly H7N9 virus is now confirmed.
Shortages are causing prices.
Obviously, it calls for concern.
Warnings of symptoms caused by the
deadliest
virus.
flu strain they have ever seen. Testing various antivirals, but at this time,
They are now calling this a true pandemic. 5 years on.
still no cure. No cure.
このエリアは隔離されてます。And they only have enough resources to feed their own population.
Another government collapses as clean water
大
becomes...
規模な暴動、略奪、暴行。
10 years since the first reported.
We are concerned about the future of humanity.
How many more of us have to die?
Attention. Due to the extremity of the simian flu crisis, all regular government functions have been suspended indefinitely. Attention. Due to the extremity of the simian flu crisis, all regular government functions have been suspended indefinitely.